Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your batteries are dead on your Amazon Fire TV. And it's very easy to fix this with your remote. You want to completely reset it. So to reset the remote, press the back button, the button with the 3 lines on it, and the left click. Let's press all 3 of these down at the same time. And then we're going to go ahead and reset the remote. And then after about 15 seconds, you may see on your screen, it's going to scroll over to the home button. That's an indication that your remote has been reset. Now what we want to do to repair this back to the TV real quick is simply turn off the TV. So let's do that now. Then what we want to do is take out the batteries from the remote. So let's do that. So the batteries are out now. Then to turn on the TV, go to where it says Fire TV, where the logo is, and there will be a button to turn it on. Just press that up, and your TV will now turn on. Now we want to wait until this fully loads, and then we can put the batteries back into the remote. Then we can put the cover back on. Then with the remote, we want to put this into the sync and pairing mode. And to do this, we want to press and hold down the home button. So if we hold this down, we'll notice that a light will start flashing on our remote now. So we're going to hold it down, and the light should be appearing after about 10 to 15 seconds, and there it is. This is an indication it's trying to pair with a device via Bluetooth, and it should connect. Maybe after 2 or 3 minutes, a screen will pop up. It says no remote detected, etc. Now you might have to repeat this and hold it down longer for maybe like 60 seconds, etc. Just see if it connects to your TV again. Now if it doesn't connect, we might have to go ahead and connect with our phone. Alright, so my remote is connected. Now sometimes you may get the screen when it's connected, but not all the functions are available. To use the Alexa voice button, you need to pair your remote. So let's go to settings, and then go down to the controllers and devices right here, and select this. So our remote is working, but it's not fully paired yet. So let's go to Alexa voice remotes, then go to add new remote, then hold down the home button once again and put it into the sync and pairing mode, and we'll notice that it will display under the list you're searching now, and the remote just appeared on the screen. Let's select it and it will pair it back to the TV. Now I can use the Alexa voice option on here. So if I press and hold this down, I can say stuff and it will go ahead and work now. So my remote is fully paired, and the batteries should be fixed from draining really quick. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.